Hello everyone, Larry Satchwell here. I thought I'd do a quick update on the Vinguys bird feeder camera and a little bit how to use the app. When I turn my iPad or my iPhone on, I get a summary, and here are 91 updates. That means there were 91 triggers on the bird feeder today. So if I hit that, it goes to all of these motion detections. So let's go back here to the app, just home, and open the app. I'm gonna wake it up here. It's dark out because I look at these in the evening. But here are some features. And the screen I'm looking at doesn't fit on the YouTube screen, so it may look a little chopped up at times, but I have to flip it and go to different parts of the picture to show you what I want to show you. For example, right here is my SD card. I went ahead and put an SD card in it. It's a 32 gigabyte SD card, and it looks like it's almost full, 26.19 gigabytes. My battery's 100%. If I look over to the left side, I can see that I've got a nice, strong Wi-Fi signal. This corner gives me the time, and that time spot is on everything. So if I go to cloud playback here, I can look at the calendar, and all on the calendar here, all of these days with dots on them are in the cloud. This is when my storage started. I have a 30-day trial storage. So if I want to look at what happened on last Friday, I can go to Friday. And I've got all of these images here. It starts in the morning. There's usually some dew on the camera. It takes a while for that to burn off. But these are all the images. I see here that what is that? There's a wren, and that was a mockingbird right before that. So it's starting the playback, and it will go through every video that's on here in order and play it back. Or I can skip and scroll sideways and skip, and if I'm fast enough, I can hit one of these and it will take me to that time of day. I don't even know what it is. There we go. It's at 8:30, almost 8:30, 8:26 in the morning, and there's a chickadee, and we have lots of chickadees. Let's look at here, see what we have. At 9 o'clock. Oh, it's a titmouse. If I want to download it, I go to this button here. That will take me down to the bottom of the page where I can download it. And it's downloading. Downloading rather slow right now. Usually it's a lot faster than that. But once it's downloaded, it will save and it goes to my album. So I can close this and go over to my pictures. And there it is. That's the video I just took. Look how clear that is. That's an incredible picture for these cameras, the bird feeder cameras, exceptional. And there's the chickadee right back. So the chickadee came, the titmouse came, and then the chickadee right back. I didn't see that on the first time I watched it. So if we go back to the app, if I go back to my notifications here, this is a titmouse here. It says at 16:13 here. There it is. It's a titmouse. That'll take me to the titmouse and it'll give me all the information, where it lives, what I should be feeding it. So let's go back to the cloud storage and take a look. So I've got a house finch here. Hopefully that helps understand the app. It's pretty easy to navigate. And right now I can just sit and watch all the action that happened yesterday. Oh, here's a pair. And I've also captured some of the images, and I'm going to share those at the end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. They did give me the camera, but I'm not being paid to promote it here. I just Want to share when I find something good, want to share it with my birding friends.